The Pavoy 14K gold-plated 925 sterling silver post chunky hoop earrings offer a chic addition to any jewelry collection. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, these hollow hoops boast dimensions of 31 millimeters in height and 12 millimeters in width, striking a perfect balance between boldness and wearability. Constructed with S925 sterling silver posts and adorned with a lustrous 14K yellow plating, these earrings exude luxury while remaining lightweight for all-day comfort. The nickel-free and hypoallergenic design ensures peace of mind for those with sensitive skin, making them suitable for everyday wear. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, Pavoy demonstrates a commitment to sustainability by utilizing 100% recycled materials for their jewelry and packaging, and actively participating in initiatives to reduce carbon emissions and plastic waste. Pavoy sets a commendable standard for eco-conscious businesses. Purchasing these earrings not only enhances your style, but also supports a brand dedicated to environmental responsibility. As a proudly American-owned company, Pavoy prioritizes customer satisfaction, offering a hassle-free 60-day money-back guarantee. With a dedication to quality, style, and sustainability, these earrings from Pavoy are a must-have accessory for the modern, conscientious woman.